Key factors for promoting longevity include maintaining low glucose and insulin levels. High oxidative stress can accelerate aging, increase inflammation, and make you more susceptible to infections. Meet Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading expert in nutrition and functional health, and a best-selling author. She is a prominent figure in the alternative health field and a pioneer in the fasting movement. In this video, we will explore the top 10 foods Dr. Pelz advises avoiding to support a healthy lifestyle and enhance longevity. First, let's examine the scientific reasons behind why these foods should be avoided. One of the key indicators of longevity is maintaining low glucose and insulin levels. For optimal health, aim for a hemoglobin A1C level under 5, ideally closer to 4.5, to support graceful and energetic aging. When your metabolism is compromised and your gut microbiome is imbalanced, your body may age faster than necessary. This is largely due to oxidative stress, which accelerates aging, increases inflammation, and makes you more susceptible to infections. Research consistently points out to one particular food that contributes to oxidative stress more than any other: fructose. Fructose is simply another term for sugar. Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading nutrition and health expert, advises avoiding refined flours and sugars. These man-made carbohydrates can lead to weight gain, while naturally occurring carbohydrates can help with weight management. For example, eat for nature foods. Those that come from the earth are far superior to processed items from commercial warehouses. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Even if something is labeled gluten-free, it doesn't mean it's healthy. Refined flours and sugar, regardless of their gluten content, raise the glycemic index of food. This spike in blood sugar forces your body to work harder to switch from burning sugar to burning fat. Dr. Mindy Pelz specifically avoids wheat and wheat-based products. In the US, much of the wheat grown is a new hybrid that contains a toxin called Bt toxin. This hybrid wheat can contribute to health issues, making it important to be cautious with wheat consumption. Bt toxin is designed as a natural pesticide to protect wheat crops from insects. When an insect feeds on the wheat kernels, the toxin causes its death, making it an effective way to control pests. However, this toxin also negatively impacts human health by harming the beneficial microbes in our gut. Consuming wheat with Bt toxin can disrupt gut health significantly. Another concern with wheat is glyphosate, a herbicide commonly used on wheat crops. Glyphosate not only kills gut microbes but also contributes to a condition known as leaky gut, where the intestinal lining becomes compromised. Additionally, glyphosate can push heavy metals deeper into the brain, potentially affecting hormonal balance and mental clarity. Although I enjoy the taste of wheat bread, the negative impact on gut health, energy levels, and brain functions makes it a trade-off I'm not willing to make. The risks simply outweigh the benefits for me. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveal that individuals who consumed wheat bread tend to ingest an additional 400 calories per day compared to those who avoided. This increase is primarily attributed to gluten, which can stimulate appetite. The issue extends beyond just wheat bread to any gluten-containing foods, as gluten can drive hunger. While eating such foods might provide brief taste satisfaction, it often leads to a range of adverse effects that must be managed afterward. Another problematic item is diet soda, particularly those containing artificial sweeteners. These sweeteners, known as obesogens, are chemicals that can disrupt insulin receptor sites and contribute to insulin resistance. This resistance can lead to a weight gain and other metabolic issues, making diet sodas and similar products a poor choice for maintaining health. First, artificial sweeteners can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels. Second, these sweeteners can increase hunger. Research shows that artificial sweeteners stimulate the hunger hormone ghrelin where they enter the brain. As ghrelin levels rise, so does your appetite, which counters the intention of reducing calorie intake for weight loss. Many people ask if it's okay to consume diet soda during fasting, but the answer is No. Artificial sweeteners act as appetite stimulants, which can lead to increased food intake rather than weight loss. Additionally, these sweeteners can disrupt the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Without a healthy microbiome, maintaining stable blood sugar levels becomes more challenging. When you consume sugary items like artificial sweeteners or diet sodas, they can lead to elevated blood sugar levels, counteracting your weight loss efforts. Avoid these products, especially if you're focused on losing weight. Next, consider the impact of orange juice. Many people believe that a glass of orange juice in the morning is a healthy choice due to its vitamin C content. However, despite the marketing push that promotes it as a healthful option, orange juice is essentially a cup of sugar. Drinking it causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash a few hours later, creating a roller coaster effect on your metabolism. This fluctuation can significantly harm your insulin levels and overall metabolic health. Therefore, it's best to eliminate orange juice from your diet to avoid these adverse effects. I would go so far as to say that orange juice can contribute to insulin resistance. Consuming it in the morning can set you up for metabolic failure throughout the day. Juice cleanses in general might not be as beneficial as they seem. The only type of juice cleanse that might be metabolically acceptable is a green juice cleanse. However, once you introduce fruits into the mix, such as pineapples, apples, or oranges, you shift from a fat-burning state to a sugar-burning state. This is because juicing fruits concentrates their sugars, leading to a higher sugar intake than eating whole fruits. Even vegetables like beets and carrots, which are high in sugar, can keep you in a sugar-burning mood. Therefore, while juices cleanses may temporarily reduce bloating, they are not a sustainable or effective long-term solution for weight loss. Another food Dr. Bendy Pelz avoids is fish. I want to explain why I generally avoid eating fish, although I still consume it occasionally since it's one of my favorites. Unfortunately, our oceans are heavily polluted, leading to high levels of heavy metals in many fish. Larger fish, such as tuna, are particularly problematic due to their high mercury content. As someone who has detoxed heavy metals from her body and is mindful of hormone health, I have had to remove tuna from my diet. I used to enjoy tuna sandwiches and frequently ordered tuna at restaurants, but now I avoid it. For those concerned about heavy metal and plastic contamination, it's worth noting that some fish are less toxic than others. Another category of food I avoid is conventional fruits. You might be surprised to hear this, but conventional apples and bananas, among others, often contain pesticide residues and other chemicals that are best avoided. I used to grab an apple whenever I saw one, believing that the saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" held true. However, I have since changed my perspective. Conventional fruits are often genetically modified, and this process can strip them of essential vitamins and minerals, rendering them less nutritious. Instead, I choose fruit from regenerative farms, which prioritize restoring and enhancing ecosystem health, soil quality, water conservation, and biodiversity. Practices like crop rotation, cover cropping, and minimal tillage in regenerative farming results in fruits with higher nutrient levels. For example, I visit a local farmer market for delicious Newton apples in the fall and enjoy apples from my own apple tree at home. Another food to avoid is instant oatmeal. Despite being marketed as a convenient option, instant oatmeal is often highly processed and lacks the nutritional benefits you might expect, regardless of how healthy the store claims to be. Instant foods, including instant oatmeal, often lack the fiber found in their less processed counterparts. These products usually contain added sugars such as coconut sugar or other sugar substitutes, which can still cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. Despite being purchased from a health food store, the refined nature of instant oatmeals mean it will rapidly increase blood sugar, leading you away from optimal metabolic health and potentially accelerating aging. For maintaining longevity, It's crucial to keep blood sugar levels stable and support metabolic flexibility. While vegetables are generally healthy, some types like potatoes can have drawbacks. Although I am a big advocate for sweet potatoes, which offer more nutritional benefits, I have had to stop eating regular potatoes due to their impact on blood sugar and overall metabolic health. I am a strong advocate for including a variety of potatoes in your diet, especially sweet potatoes of different colors. These diverse types of potatoes contains resistant starch, which reaches the lower part of your large intestine and feeds beneficial microbes therein. In contrast, conventionally grown regular potatoes are essentially just a starch bomb, similar to orange juice and instant oatmeal. Consuming them can lead to a significant spike in blood glucose levels. When consuming regular potatoes, you will likely experience a glucose spike followed by a drop, putting you on a metabolic roller coaster. However, incorporating potatoes from regenerative farms and mixing them with a variety of sweet potatoes can offer a different approach to the health. In my kitchen, I combine various colored sweet potatoes with different types of regular potatoes, chop them up, and bake them. This method not only enhances nutrient intake but also helps maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Conversely, conventional potatoes often lack significant nutrients. Adding margarine, as many people do, can further diminish their health benefits. Another surprising item on the list is iceberg lettuce. Despite its common presence in salads at restaurants, iceberg lettuce offers minimal nutritional value. It's largely devoid of essential nutrients, making it a less beneficial choice for your diet. Even when iceberg lettuce comes from a conventional farm, it often has the same, if not worse, issues. Conventional farming practices typically result in fruits and vegetables that are deficient in essential microbes, minerals, and vitamins. While you may not find many regenerative farms growing iceberg lettuce, they are more likely to cultivate diverse, nutrient-rich greens such as mixed lettuces, exotic varieties, dandelion greens, and parsley. Although both types of salads might be called salads, they differ significantly in their nutritional support for your health. Another surprising item to avoid is consuming just one type of vegetable repeatedly. For instance, sticking to carrot sticks or celery sticks from conventional sources can actually deplete your health rather than enhance it. These conventionally grown vegetables often lack essential nutrients, making them less beneficial for overall health. Repeatedly consuming the same vegetables like carrot sticks or celery sticks can deplete your minerals and vitamins and require significant energy to digest. They can adversely affect your overall nutritional status. Additionally, relying on just a few types of vegetables can lead to a phenomena known as monoculture in your gut microbiome. When you eat the same foods repeatedly, you create a limited range of microbial species in your gut, allowing certain beneficial microbes to diminish. This imbalance can undermine your gut health, which plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system, regulating blood sugar, and producing neurotransmitters for brain function. To maintain optimal microbial health, it's essential to diversify your diet and avoid sticking to the same foods consistently. If you have been relying on carrots and celery for a long time, it's time to diversify your diet. Consider incorporating a variety of vegetables such as red and yellow peppers, cucumbers, and other colorful options. Adding more salads with different ingredients can also help break the monotony and enrich your diet. Lastly, it's important to avoid harmful oils and switch to healthier alternatives. The oils to steer clear of include canola oil, vegetable oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil, partially hydrogenated oils, sunflower oil, safflower oil, and soybean oil. These oils can lead to cellular inflammation and insulin resistance. Instead, opt for beneficial oils like MCT oil, ghee, flaxseed oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. If you have been consuming unhealthy oils, you can start reversing the damage by making these two simple changes to your diet. Intermittent fasting is one of the most effective methods for reducing oxidative stress. If you haven't yet incorporated intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, now is the perfect time to start. Additionally, regular exercise, particularly high-intensity workouts like those featured in my Reset Academy, can significantly lower oxidative stress and help reverse damage to your body. If you found this video informative, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and remember to like and share. Stay healthy.